Let me tell you about myself. My name is Glorika Abigail Tamunan. I live in Bukit Ayu Sukadama Block A2 number 1. I 10 years old. I school at Laksamana. I in class 5. My hobby is swimming. My favorite food is noodle. My favorite drink is milk. My favorite color is red. My favorite subject is math. My favorite game is my favorite game is Free Fire. My favorite teacher is Miss Sari.